Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Revolut to another bank account. Transferring money from Revolut to another bank is super easy and comes with some awesome benefits. First, it's fast and reliable. With Revolut, local transfers can often be completed within a day, and international transfers are quicker than most traditional banks. Secondly, it's affordable. Revolut uses real exchange rates with no hidden fees, saving you money, especially for international transfers. Third, it's flexible. You can send payments to over 200 countries and in multiple currencies right from the application. No need to visit a branch. And the best part is, Revolut keeps your transactions secure with advanced encryption and instant notifications, so you're always in control. Coming back to the main question, how to send money from Revolut to another bank account. First of all you have to do is open the Revolut app on your phone. Once the app is opened, you will see this interface on your phone. All you have to do is click on the transfer button on the middle bottom of your screen. It will look like a right and left arrow. Now you're in the transfers page. What you have to do is click on the new button on the top right corner. A new page will open. On this page, you will be able to see add a new bank recipient, add card recipient, crypto wallet, group, or contact. To send it to another bank, you have to simply click on bank recipient. Click on it, then a new page will open. You can either select individual or business. If you want to send money to an individual's bank account, then you have to select the country of the recipient's bank. After that, you have to type in or enter the currency in euros or USD or in any other. On the next step, you have to enter the IBAN number of that individual's bank account number. After entering IBAN number, you have to enter the first and middle names of your recipient. After filling out the form, you have to go with the instructions. Then your new recipient has been added and you can find your recipient on the transfers page once again. Now in the transfers page, you have to find your new recipient that you have just added, click on it, enter the amount. You will be also able to see the arriving time, which is today, because Revolut transfers are fast. After that, you have to click on continue and you have successfully sent money from your Revolut to another bank account. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.